In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and interpret a Sunburst chart in Power BI. Sunburst charts are an excellent way to visualize hierarchical data while providing insightful, easy to understand visuals at a glance. If you're ready to learn how to make your data pop using this unique chart type, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Power BI Desktop. This is a powerful tool for creating detailed and visually stunning reports. So make sure you've got it installed and are working with the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it before. The next step is to import the data you want to showcase. Click on Get Data to start the process. Power BI supports various data sources including Excel spreadsheets, SQL databases, and web sources. So whether your data sits locally or in the cloud, you've got plenty of options. Select your preferred source, and with a few clicks, your data will populate Power BI, ready to be transformed into a visual narrative. After importing your data, you'll need to locate the three dots in the right-hand pane. This elusive icon is your gateway to more chart options. Click on these dots, and a world of visualization tools is at your fingertips. You'll see a selection of different chart types and extensions that can be added to enhance your report. Now, you may encounter a prompt asking for your email. Power BI sometimes requires a bit of personal information to get things up and running smoothly, especially when you're integrating additional visuals or dealing with certain services, so enter your email address. Rest assured, this is standard procedure and part of the necessary steps to access the full suite of Power BI features. Once you've entered your email and the setup is complete, it's time to add the Sunburst chart. Start by using the search bar in the Visualizations pane. Simply type Sunburst chart into the search bar, and you should see it appear among the options. Select it to add it to your workspace. You'll immediately see an empty visualization pop up in your report view. Now, drag and drop your data fields into the chart to see the magic happen. The Sunburst chart will automatically structure your data into an engaging, multi-level radial display. You'll be able to see the hierarchical relationships within your dataset clearly and intuitively, with each segment size representing the proportion of the data it holds. As you explore and interact with your new Sunburst chart, note how easily it reveals insights. Each ring represents a level in your hierarchy, with deeper levels providing further granularity. This dynamic chart is particularly effective for communicating nested data, showing how smaller groups contribute to the whole. Keep experimenting with the customization options to make your chart as informative and visually appealing as possible. And there you have it, a brilliant Sunburst chart ready to transform how you and your audience engage with your data.